E-commerce has boomed. I think e-commerce, I don't know what the numbers are, but pre-COVID, it was like, okay, e-commerce is growing. But obviously then during COVID, everyone's locked down, everyone's at home. What do? Their online shop. So it like exponentially grew. I don't know. Anyway, how it went like way faster than expected. But going back to like the proposal for what I think we should be doing to try and curb these issues that the fashion industry is facing. If you're thinking about on-demand production to solve the overproduction issue, and then this fit issue is like, can we produce the clothing to fit the people?
Okay.
Because first of all, like sizing is not inclusive right now. Like you're saying you're like small, medium, large, extra large. Like we all have different body shapes.
Yep.
So now obviously for like looser fit garments and like super stretchy items, this could be okay. But for denim, which is such a culturally important garment, and yet it's notoriously bad to fit, and it's also very wasteful to produce because you're using water, like thirsty resources. You're using cotton, you're using indigo dyes, like a lot of chemicals, a lot of processing. It's not a normal type of garment. So can
plus
we
airjet loom machines, because I even read
what's an airjet loom machine?
I went on YouTube.
You did?
I went
Wow.
on YouTube because I was reading the vlog, and I said this, and like I don't understand anything. What is this? So I went to YouTube, and YouTube is like, I don't know. We live in paradise, guys. There is just an explanation and a video for everything. So airjet loom, I don't know how to say in English. Like the process of just threading the horizontal threads.
Weaving.
Weaving. My English is bad, especially after a long trip. So normally you do it by hand, and then in the old machines you do it by hand, and then you pull that wooden thingy, and then you compress, and that's how you, with a lot of patience, you get one piece of fabric. No.
Yeah.
So the airjet loom actually is a super cool invention. It just airjets the thread. But it uses a lot of energy, so that is not cool.
Yeah, so it's like we live in that world, like bigger, better, faster, more, let's make things more efficient. So yeah, at the time, airjet loom is amazing, makes high quality fabric, it's really, really fast, but it does use a lot of energy. And is it propping up the system of like, we have to produce at least 5,000 or 30,000 yards of this fabric because the system is just so complicated. Anyway, so we started with, can we make custom fit jeans on demand? And then we started developing the technology for that, which the process is that someone would download an iPhone app. You'd spin around in front of the camera. The software would then generate an avatar of your body. We would then extract the measurements, and you can design choose which jeans you want. You want them skinny, straight fit, wide leg, etc. The fit, the color, the fabric, or the wash color, the thread color, high waist, low waist, and then those patterns would get made, the custom fit to you. We'll send those to our partner factories and workshops, and then within 2 weeks they'll get sent to you, and then it's jeans with your name on them. And obviously it's not perfect. We do have some returns. Something can always go wrong with technology, or someone expected something different, blah blah blah, but you can minimize your return rate from like 50% to 10%.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
So and I think 2 weeks is reasonable, and it even gives that special element of having to wait for something.